it's Meryl. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making keto pizza rolls, as you can see in the title. So I'm really excited to make these for you guys today. And before we get started, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because I know you're gonna love it. And also, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as well. You can get notifications every time I upload a new video. I upload a video every Tuesday. Sometimes I'll have more than one a week, and sometimes it'll be every other week. You never know, but make sure to come and check. Popping up somewhere up here, I always forget where it is, I will be sharing with you guys some of my other keto recipe videos, so be sure and check those out as well. And let's get started.